Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the monitor actually receives a stable signal and power. First, shut the PC down, unplug and reset the DP or HDMI cable. Use a known good cable if possible. Once done, power the monitor and watch the LED and OSD appear. Next, in Windows or Mac OS, set display sleep to 30 minutes so the screen won't enter power save while you test. These steps remove simple signal or timeout. Now you'll tackle the monitor settings that commonly force a power save state. Press the monitor's menu button and set input source explicitly to the port you use. Make sure auto select is off so the monitor doesn't hunt for signals. While in the OSD, find and turn off deep sleep, eco, or similar features. These cut video detection. If Dell provides firmware updates for your model, apply them. Firmware fixes signal detection bugs that look like power save. Finish by aligning PC settings with the monitor. Update the graphics drivers, then disable adaptive sync or variable refresh temporarily to rule out handshake issues. Set the OS power plan to high performance and disable USB selective suspend and fast startup where present. This prevents the system from dropping video outputs. Finally, test with a different PC and try the suspect PC on another monitor to isolate hardware. If it still enters power save, your monitor's input board or cable connector likely needs service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.